Hi, it's really nice to see you again. Today, I'm gonna do a complete Afidus TLC app review, but I will more focus on the new features. Video repairing, capturing FPS, and parameter backup. First thing first, connect Afidus camera with smart device and open Afidus TLC app. We have 3 pages. Let's check the About page. It's app info and camera firmware download. Album page is snapshot took from Afidus camera and videos being downloaded from Afidus cameras. And we're back to the camera page. We could download videos in SD card page like this. You can see the progress of the download percentage. Camera will inform you the download has been successful. And we get into the most important one, camera access page. Yeah, the first thing pop up is the viewfinder, and some little icon indicate power and memory card status. Upon this is the parameter dashboard, square line, and more settings. We got calculator, image alignment, and camera setting. I would like to begin with calculator. Just select how much time you plan to record, what playback FPS you want, and what interval you would like to apply. Then press calculate. It generates the result includes video length, video size, and total frames by camera current view. Image alignment is interesting and quite useful for long-term time lapse. Just take a snapshot as a standard. Choose the photo and select color, width, and label. Switch on alignment. The viewfinder will draw outline based on standard picture. You could adjust camera until the picture is fit with the outline. It allows you to have same frame design, even relocate camera after exchanging battery or memory card. Backup and apply. This feature allows you to copy and paste camera setting from camera A to camera B. Just tap backup when app connect to camera A and tap apply when app connect to camera B. Super easy. Let's get back to the viewfinder page. I believe there are quite a lot of people are wondering what the capturing FPS means. Well, it just captures FPS literally. You could select how many frames you would like to capture during PIR mode, hybrid mode, and continuous interval. For example, I could record 10 frames per second during PIR being triggered and playback FPS is 30. As a result, the PIR video will be 3 times fast forward. 30 divided by 10 is 3. I'm not a mathematician, but it sounds pretty simple, doesn't it? Alright, I wish you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys are doing really well. See you next time. Bye.